Hello everyone. As we have started the second chapter of the geography, which name is the globe. This is the second lecture. Basically, in the first lecture, I have discussed about what are the latitudes and some important latitudes name and their location and about the heat zones. In this video, we will understand what are the longitudes. Longitude means basically the vertical lines. This is the picture of the Earth. Earth is divided into two equal halves by the equator, the horizontal line known as the latitudes. Yesterday I have discussed about the few latitudes like Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. You can see here the vertical lines also. These lines are running from north in North Pole to south in the South Pole. These vertical lines basically known as longitudes. These vertical lines are known as latitudes. There are total 360 latitudes. There are 360 latitudes. One of them, which passes by the center of the earth, is known as the prime meridian. Longitudes are also known as the meridians. So first line is known as the prime meridian. In the east side of the prime meridian, the earth portion is known as the eastern hemisphere, and in the west side of the prime meridian, the land is known as western hemisphere. So total 180 longitudes are in the east direction, which are denoted by the degree east, and there are the 180 longitudes in the west side, which are denoted by the degree west. Understood? Here is the definition of latitudes, longitudes. I have discussed already. The prime meridian, I have discussed that the prime meridian pass prime meridian which passes through the Greenwich, where is the British Royal Observatory located, is known as the prime meridian. Basically, in London there is a place where is an observatory known as the British Royal Observatory in the Greenwich city, and that prime meridian is taken from there because that line passes through there. That is known as the 0 degree longitude, known as the prime meridian. The value of the 0 degree, this meridian is 0 degree longitude, and I have discussed already this 180 degree eastward and 180 degrees westward divided the western hemisphere. Longitudes basically are used to determine the time zones of any country. The countries or the area which exist in the east side of the prime meridian basically have the extra time, means the time in those location are always higher than the area which falls on the prime meridian. For example, prime meridian, the time in the prime meridian countries like Britain, Spain, time is here if 12 o'clock, and if another country in the eastern hemisphere like Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Turkmenistan, the time will be not exact to the 12 o'clock here, it will be higher than the 12 o'clock, like 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, or the 7 o'clock. But it is reversed with the westward longitudes. The time in the westward areas will be always below than the 12 o'clock, means you can say 9 p.m. or 6 p.m. Okay, this is why this is the difference, because the earth always rotates from west to east direction. That's why the time, the duration of the time zone is basically higher and lower. Okay, so basically these longitudes are used to determine the time zones. In the ancient time, when there was no time schedule, don't have a hand watch or anything, people used people used the movement of the moon and the sun to determine the time. But in this times we have so many scientific method we can notify out the time. So in the ancient time, what were people doing? When the sun rises, they consider it is the morning, and when sun goes down in the in the west direction, they understand it is going to the evening. So basically, the daylight time were known as the day, and the moon time means all over around when the dark. This time was known as the night. Okay. So basically, what some country do, they have chosen an a specific meridian line, means latitude lines, longitude line, to determine their language. That line is known as the standard time zone, and this is also represent the local time. For example, India, our country, India have chosen a latitude which name is, our country have chosen a 80 82.5 degree east longitude, chosen as the IST, Indian Standard Timeline. Basically, by this line, we decide the time in our country. Okay, and as you know, the sunrise in the Assam and the sunrise in Gujarat, there is the 1.5 hour 1 hour and 45 minute differences between the both locations. But still, we are using the one time zone line. This longitude is 82.5 degree, known as the Indian Standard Time. In the some country, they are using more than one time in this. They are using more than the one. They are using more than one Indian. They are using more than one longitudes to determine their local time. Like Russia, they are using 11 time zones. Canada 9, and the USA 7. Okay, and one thing more, on the globe, these 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 lines, means latitudes and longitude, forms a structure which is known as the grid. You can see the longitudes and latitudes are intersecting each other at a particular place. This structure is known as grid, and basically grid is used to find the location of any place in the exact position. Okay, thank you.